comes with another load. He's literally scooping up bottom guck and carrying it in a big load between his jaws and his forearms and using it as mortar for the dam. I have a bad feeling this is going to be a problem for these beavers because they don't want this to stop running through. It explains why the creek is so dry on the other side, because these damn beavers dammed up the creek flow. So it's going to flood this entire area, and they're going to have to get rid of these damn beavers. But I like them. Well, there goes that. That was fun while it lasted. Oh yeah, get out of the water. You gorgeous beast. Off to get its stick. Okay. I think that's going to be it for now. As I said, here is the beaver dam. Look at that. He's built it up quite a bit. Oh man. Explains. Oh man, it's already starting to rise. That's why these ducks are submerged now. Because the picture I had from before, it wasn't submerged. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, I'm gonna have to talk to someone about this. Oh man. Okay. This bad beaver is somewhere in this tree line, snipping off a branch to put on his dam. And that's going to flood this entire area. All this marshland's going to get flooded. But they wanted to renaturalize the area, and beavers are natural in this area. What did they expect was going to happen? What did beavers do? They build dams. So, a little bit of commentary for once in these videos. But we can just edit that out with good programming anyway. So. Okay. I'm going to sign off now, because I don't know where this beaver went. I'm going to keep walking through the park and see if I can find any more evidence. Okay. Bye, everybody.